I'm a design out crime officer for Gwynedd and Anglesey area of the force, and we work with local authorities and housing associations in their planning process to make sure that places are designed safer for residents who will be taking occupancy. And this building behind us is one of the buildings that's currently going for Secure by Design certification, so let's show you around. So a big part of the design stage is, as you can imagine, the perimeter, the boundary of the actual site where the development is going to be in. What we advise is a minimum of 1.8 fencing. This particular one here is topped with trellis, which is fantastic. The beauty with trellis is if you try to climb over, it makes a lot of noise, but it also snaps and breaks. So from a security point of view, it's very good. So as you can see, this door has no recessed doorway area. This helps people's security and safety, as nobody can hide in the doorway and actually jump out on someone. Also, what we include is a light just above the door. That means that this area is lit up so nobody can hide from anybody who's approaching the building. The brilliant thing about this door is there's no tradesman entrance, so the only way you can gain access is with a fob. So each of the doors on the flats within this development are past 24. The beauty of this is they all come with an eye hole, so you can actually see who's outside the door, so you don't let anybody in who you don't want. The other thing is as well, because of the letterbox, there's a certain design that you can't get your hand through to actually open the door, so the only way you can get in is if the person inside actually lets you in. And finally, this window is also a past 24 window. This one has slightly higher security on it, in that the inner pane is actually laminated, so if you try to smash the window to actually gain access, you can't. There's no way of actually forcing them open, and there's no way to actually smash and break entry. So these are very safe doors for the resident who will eventually move into this property.